I'm feeling honest and walk around and get my lesson. Now, today it might not be long. I ain't do nothing today, but I could have did something today. But everything happened. Like I said, this was the low. Use the price of emphasis. As you can see, broke out, come out, push out. As you can see, it's following trend. And if it does break out, I gotta go into here or here if it does sell. So my first bias is this. I want to see price come. This is it right here. That's my first goal. Your strategy. So this nigga talking about. Look at this jump. Nigga talking about I win 90. Nigga strategy sucks. You talking about I win more than I lose. You got a 60% win rate and you losing? Nigga, you gotta change that RR up, my boy. It don't matter how much times you win. It matter how much times you make that money. So look, but check this out. It breaks out from here. Let's just delete this. All right, hold on. Let me turn on the light. Turn on the lights. I'm looking for. You see, follow trend right here. Respected this. Pushed up. Look at the strong push. But it dropped. I ain't think it was gonna drop like this. I'm thinking it would have continued. If it continued, that would have been a simple buy. But it came all the way back down. And you should see this is the lower low. This is the higher high. It breaks below the lower low. So what I'm expecting price to do is at least come back down. At least to here, maybe. It was following trend, following trend, following trend, following trend, following trend. So if it could come back down to here, that'd be lovely. This would be fucking lovely. $2022 was nasty. I look at. Oh, this is 2024. You feel like on this uptrend, the uptrend, downtrend, downtrend, uptrend, uptrend. It's so easy. Now it's a downtrend. We're in the sale. We in sales. So sales. We gotta see what price does. There's a low, comes here. It never made a new low, but if it does make a new low, it could probably make new highs tomorrow. Do some retracing, and then we probably could look for lows next week. Gold. Gold did exactly what I wanted to do. Keep fucking selling. Sell right in this area. Look, came right back down to an area of emphasis. An area of emphasis. So as y'all can see, gold went crazy. Gold did exactly what I wanted it to do. Went right back into profits. Was good, my boy. Was good. Let me see. We gonna check what's all happened today. I ain't even do no trade, but I was gonna get into what's it called? Not I was gonna get into 30 for the sales, but a nigga was like, man, I'm good. I was like, I'm good. Look at it, bro, and it was beautiful sales too. Look at this shit. It was. I don't know why I didn't get into the sales, but it was beautiful. The shit. It was two options to sell. Yeah, yeah. It's like the thing about me. I wanted to go up, but once I seen the sell momentum, it went back straight back down. It's at a good spot though. I ain't gonna lie. Let's remove this pivot highs and lows. Like look how this jump was clean. Like I was gonna enter, but a nigga made like I'm almost done step one, so I'm like, bro, I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. But look at bro, I could have entered right here. I could have entered right here, and I would have took this shit down. I would have took it back down here. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, nah, I ain't tripping. Yeah, cause I told myself I said I probably won't even trade tomorrow. So nah, like look at this. This was a clean jump though. Went right back into profit where it usually hit at. So I might come back down to here. But if I think it come to here, it's gonna keep going lower. Nah, cause so this is our next point, low key. Let's see this. Yeah, this will be like my next point. I'll probably mark. Let me mark this out. Oh yeah, that joint dropped. Let me see. What the hell is that metal? Let's see what that shit do today. No, it ain't really do nothing today. It's gonna cash up, but it's gonna go up a little bit more. But yeah, just you cashed out 100%, or you just cashed out like 80, or you cashed out 100%. It ain't really do nothing too much today. But Nas, I want to see some bullish momentum because it's selling. If it break this area, it's selling. If it telling me it goes up, break this area, I could just start selling for Nas. Or if it just support comes back up, I'm gonna just start buying with Nas. Make some higher highs. I'll probably just start buying to the tippity top, and then Nas. Or I think it can sell. Hold up. I think it can sell to here though. Maybe. Cause it just break like it's just higher high. It's breaking. This is one spot I got it going. I don't really got it going here per se. I want to before they drop. If it do drop like this, I want to pass step one so I could just pass step two with flying colors. I'm done, and then just make some money from the prop firms. And yeah, and then I'm gonna do it my own personal. Although I think it might feel like I'm invested 40K in Amazon. I just hold for 2 years in the market high. I'm going with something light. I might have to do Apple. Let me see Amazon. No, at least you smart about it because it's. I like them 2 years shit, bro. Like I be telling nigga if I trade stocks, I'm gonna just hold for a long ass time. And then let me see. Mm, let's see. If you bought it today, that ain't now. I ain't gonna lie. That's not a bad buy if you bought it. Like if you bought it like if I bought it like yeah, that's not a bad buy. If you bought Amazon today, I ain't gonna count. That ain't a bad buy. It broke out highs, kind of did a little retracement. I had it going to here at least. I think I did. Let's see. It broke out. Let's see. So let me see. Hold up. Let me analyze. Let me go to analyzation. So boom, higher high. This is the high. It comes down. Maybe I probably would have bought somewhere, but I ain't gonna lie. Still, I'm not even gonna say it's a bad. Hey, you bought for 2 years, so shit, it's gonna go up. Hell yeah. I probably would have bought somewhere around this area, and then just hold this shit till at least right here. Nah, but shit, if it's 2 years, shit, it's 2 years. You know, Amazon go up every year. All right, let me see. Uh, let's see. Amazon every year percentages. Let me see. I just want to look up Amazon every year percentages. Let's see. Yeah, let me see. Nah, it ain't even a bad play. Yeah, like Amazon go up every year, 44%. Like since 2015, 100%, 2016, 10%, 55%, 28%. The only time it ever went down was fucking uh 2022, but everything went down in 2022. But well, I did some research. This shit, it just go up. So it don't really matter. You bought the dip over 2 years. That's why I ain't gonna lie. That's why I kind of fuck with options though. I'm gonna have to because I was doing investing. I just be trying to buy the stock, but if I could make way more money trading options and hold for like a 2 year shit, it's about like a 6,000. But like how much them contracts cost though? Let me see. And gold was beautiful today. I ain't gonna lie. Like gold won't been beautiful, but this is what I would have did with gold. You seen up higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. It broke the higher high right here. Broke this, came back up. Doesn't want to break here. You can tell it doesn't want to break here. Change it to gold. Doesn't want to break here. But it did TP to like right here. Yeah, gold is going. I don't know what the hell gold gonna do. It might. Uh, if it breaks out of here, uh, if it breaks out from here, it might just keep going up. Low key. Low key, it might just go up. It might just go up. If it breaks from here, and then just keep making higher highs, yeah, it might just go up. I ain't gonna trip. Come here, I probably would have. Let's see, I probably would have entered somewhere around there. Consolidation. I probably would have did some shit like this. Let's see, let's go to 4 hour. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I would have did some shit like this. This is a nice one right here. I would have did some shit like I would have bought right here. If I entered gold. Yeah, gold was a nice little setup earlier. I would have entered gold right there though. On some real shit. I was like, man, I entered gold. What it was like, the shit won't really ain't want to break out today. Cause I'm seeing it's going down. They didn't want to break higher highs right here. I'd have seen that shit. I'd have been like, yeah. And then just take it down to the next area. Buyer's board. Uh Nas, Nas shit, that shit was just dropping. They won't really know where to get in. It was. I probably could have got in right here, but I didn't really want to fuck with Nas. I could have got in like right here. I just didn't know where to put the stop loss. I looked at it. I said, I ain't know where to put a stop loss at, but I'm like, at least got to go to here. I ain't know where to put a stop loss. Low key here. I would have put it here, to be honest. I won't even put it here, so let me stop lying. I probably would have put it here. Or I would have put it here, and then I would have just said, put it at break even, and then push it down to here. Yeah, 30. Bro, I don't know why I ain't in the 30, bro. Maybe because I won. I'm in some good duck, but I keep winning though. As long as I trade the higher time frame, I keep winning. I swear I keep winning because look, I had 2 setups on 30. Look, I was gonna sell right here and sell right here, and I was going, bro. I had 2 fucking setups. I was gonna sell this shit right here, put the stop loss. This would have been probably right here. I probably didn't want to lose that much. Yeah, I probably would have put this. Yeah, I seen this didn't want to break from the previous days. Didn't want to break lower low. I probably yeah, hell yeah. I'm not putting it up here. I probably would have put it like right here. TP. Ooh, that would have been a nice 3.6. And it went lower. And then the next one was right here too. The next one I would have entered right here. Probably. I probably did the same stop loss. I ain't gonna lie. And then I'd have been a 2. Yeah, I would have entered for a 2. And damn, there's so much places I can enter though, low key. Like I can enter another one right here. I'd have entered another one right here. Damn. There's hella spots I could have entered in 30. I ain't gonna hold you. I could have entered 3 times, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I probably could have entered 3 times on 30. But I would have made I would have made if I entered here on 30, I probably wouldn't have entered this shit. I ain't gonna lie. I would have entered this one again, made this stop loss, break even, and made this one stop loss, and put it down to here. That shit would have been like because I probably would have lost like 1% or gained like fucking 6. But I don't even need 6. I think I only need like 3 more percent. Yeah, bro. I love this shit, man. I ain't even gonna be up here too. I don't know what Friday gonna do. Friday I probably won't do shit. Like, let me delete this because I ain't enter it. But no, I ain't gonna lie. The market's always been looking beautiful. It's just I never looked at the higher time frame. Yeah, me looking at GJ yesterday, like GJ a beautiful fucking setup too, long term. Cause look how much times you can enter. Low key, you can enter this bitch a lot of times. Like, boom, probably enter something right here. Whoops. Bro, GJ, you can enter a lot of times. Boom, enter something right here. Stop loss. Like, oh, GJ is really nice. Like, come up, break out. And I probably would have entered somewhere here. Made this TP. Yo, GJ is really a nice pair though. Like when you told me that shit, bro, I just started looking at GJ the other night. And I'm like, bro, GJ, it's really a long-term shit too. Because imagine, all right, you enter GJ. Boom. Bro, like GJ is nice. Like you probably could have entered. I probably would have entered somewhere here. TP, high, stop loss. Like yo, GJ a nice ass pair, bro. I see why niggas used to trade only great like GJ. Like this shit really you can really do something with it. Yeah, bro. It's trendy as a motherfucker on this shit, bro. When you told me that, I said, God damn. I'm thinking about, bro, I ain't trade Forex in a long time, but if it is a Forex pair, this might be one of them. Like, look how trendy this bitch is. Like, this shit look nice, bro. I ain't gonna lie, DJ look nice like a motherfucker. I like how DJ look. This joint beautiful. Like, you can tell where it's going. Granted, it's a sell, come up, boom. Nah, exactly. Yeah, nah, that shit do look like good, like perfect vibes right now. Hell yeah, this perfect vibes. It would have been today would have been a perfect vibe. Cause probably buy, I don't know where, but somewhere around here, and then just hold this shit to like right here. So I don't know where, but let's see. Like, watch. I can know where to buy it. I can just look at this shit. Let's mark it. Let's see. Right here. Right here I'm buying. Right fucking here. Look. Right here. That's where I will buy it. And then they just hold this shit to right here. That's exactly where I'll buy it in GJ. Right? Exactly right here. Boom. Buy this shit right here. Exactly right here. Matter, I put that shit at break even. Let it hit here. Because granted, long term it's still an uptrend. So you just go with the flow. Hell yeah, this shit look clean. I'm gonna have to touch GJ sooner or later. Nas, I'm not really. Let me delete this. I ain't too found on Nas. 30 was beautiful. Low key 30 was. I ain't even gonna be on no bias shit. 30 was more beautiful than yesterday. 30 was way more beautiful than. It looked way clean yesterday. It was pretty. It was painting the picture today. You could have sold about 3-4, bro. You really could have sold about 3-4 times. I just wanted to see buys, but I knew it was going to sell. But I'm like, man, I'm happy I made profits these last 2 days. I could have been done in day 3, but I think I'm gonna give it day 4. I don't know what Friday gonna do. We got news Friday. Let's see what type of news we got. Yeah, we got some news. Unemployment rates, but still, we can still see what it does. Let's see. Might want to come back down. You never know. Can still come back down. Like I said, it's in a sale right now. It's selling. Don't get me wrong. It's in a range of market, but as of right now, it's selling. That's what I got it doing. Like I said, I've been right. Just keep looking at this shit. The sell, like since fucking Tuesday, I've been right. Monday, I won't touching this shit. Tuesday, when I seen it didn't want to break support, this was a risky sale. I didn't even have it going to here. I closed that break even right here, and then I just pushed it down to here. Or fucking 30. I like, all right. Once it came down to here, guaranteed it was sales all through the week. Right, not all through the week, but I was like, guaranteed tomorrow's gonna sell. Sold tomorrow, today it sold even more beautiful. I had price coming up to here, but it went down to here, so price gotta come back to its range and zones, and it did come back. So that's why I always look at the higher time frame now. Gold, the fuck are gold doing? Gold was beautiful today. Like I said, I would have sold right here, but it would have did a bunch of nothing. Then Nas is Nas. Other than that, I ain't really look at shit. I just looked at 30. Everything else really ain't do nothing. 30 in gold. Nas, I won't fuck with Nas. Let's see. I ain't gonna be up here too long because there ain't really nothing to look at. I already expand everything. Right, let's look at some stocks. You know, see what the stocks did today. Did a little drop. Let's see. Did a little drop. Still could go up. Still could go up. Still can go up. We ain't gonna bother there. The video can still go up. Still uptrend. Still an uptrend. We ain't mad at no video. It can go up. Promise you it can go up. The video could go up. Show me something break. Show me some type of support. Yeah, the video could go up. Something like this. I don't know where the support will be at. The video could go up. If we're trading short term. Let's see. Let's look at some more stocks. Tesla. Like I said, Tesla. I don't know what the fuck. Still got Tesla. Fucking. Let's see. I'm not even trying to do. I still got Tesla buying. If it sells, I don't give a fuck. But if it buys, I'm gonna buy with it. Couldn't even buy today. Because all it did was drop. Let's see, like third fight. What the fuck? There was no buys today, even if you wanted to. It was just straight sell. But I ain't gonna. I still got Tesla buying. Still do. It was. I just probably wouldn't have traded it today because all it did was sell. Like, wait, all right, let's go to Thursday. 9:30 open. Look, all it did was drop. Straight drop. Yeah, Tesla is in a phase where it's either gonna drop hard or buy hard. I wouldn't have touched Tesla today though. Apple. Let's see Apple. What the hell Apple talking about? It's a good spot to sell, but I don't really like selling shit like Apple. It's a good spot to sell. I just don't like selling shit like this. Like, let's see. Like, where would I? I'm trying to think. Where would I even sold it at? Broke here. Came up. I don't really see it. Came up. Came up. Didn't break. Boom. Still didn't. Maybe not no sell right now. Maybe not. I don't see no sell. Yeah, I don't see no sales. I do. I would want to sell fucking Apple, but I don't see no. You don't see no sales. I would want to sell, but there's nothing to sell. Depends on what the market do. I'll probably trade them all. Let's see. You know, I only trade about 3 pairs, so shit. 30. Let's see. 30 might could do some continuation thing. At most, I might trade gold. It looks like the best thing. It can come back down to here, or it can break back up. It doesn't even if gold do anything. I could buy or sell gold. Depends on what the market do. Nas, I could low key sell if I see, unless I think it might range for a little bit until New York session. If it just rains for a little bit, I'm gonna see what it does in New York session. Probably trade around 10 or 11. If I see it come down, because this is like a support area. If it just come down a little bit more and doesn't want to break and have support somewhere on the lower time frame, I'm gonna sell this bitch to at least here, right here, this first one, this first yellow box. I'll probably sell to here and then close it at break even somewhere and then sell to second point. Gold, I got it coming back down to here. I might sell to here again. And then 30 really hit beyond where I really wanted to hit. I had 30 going here lowest, but it went to this one. So I could see some type of bullish momentum or just some range and momentum. So I got gold and Nas in my own trading book right now for tomorrow. Let's look at these stocks though. Oh yeah, Hood. What y'all got Hood doing, man? Hood a nice stock. Bro, Hood, yo, y'all ain't talking about Robinhood in a minute. Hood a nice stock. I remember Hood was in like, yo, Hood was really a good bro. Hood was at 30 in the beginning. Yo, I ain't know Hood was like that. Damn. God damn. Yo. You did say, I remember you telling me you was like Robin Hood going to hit 100. Damn. Shout out Robin Hood. Shit. I think, bro, it's a lot of stocks just blowing the fuck up. Yo. It's more, bro, stocks blowing. Shit. Yo, Hood. God damn. But I'm more shocked than Hood than anything, because this what I do be talking. You probably is right, because even if I invested in Hood in January, I would have tripled my money. Fucking options, I don't know what the fuck I would have did. Options, it probably would have. Knowing me in options, if it tripled my money, I would have took out. But investing, I ain't even gonna lie. I probably would have got out like right here. I probably would have got out at like 90. I ain't gonna lie, because it's already too high. Hood like that though. I like Hood. Yo. So far about the rehab? Damn, so far? I remember I used to look at so far. Damn. So far. Damn. I think stock's just doing good right now. I ain't gonna lie, we need another dip. Fucking. If we do another dip, I promise I would invest in a stock. I would. I actually would. The best time it was in January, February, March, April. In April, everything was down. Everything was fucking down. I see it. That shit just sucks now. I ain't want to look at this. I'm fucking Uber. Like shit, even Uber. Oh my gosh, bro. Fuck. Yo. I think we in a different time zone. Like, there's too much stocks that's actually doing good for a nigga to be broke. And especially, you just can't. The thing about the stock market, I think you just can't be no. I think it's starting to get easier, but I think you just can't be no greedy nigga. Like, not even greedy nigga. You just got to be a patient nigga. Bro, just because look. Bro, just imagine if you bought a stock, like, not even on no greed shit. Think about it. Let's really think about it. Say you bought a stock last year. Fuck all that. Just say you waited a whole year. November 2023. It's still not all right, November. Where is it? 2024. 2024. You would have doubled your money on Uber. Like once it got past here, I probably would have started buying. God damn. Came back. Would have started buying right here. Buys. God damn. Uber's still in a good spot to buy too. Low key, Uber's still in a good ass spot to buy. God damn. What else? What else I could look at? What else y'all be looking at, man? Walmart always gonna do good. Damn. Oh my god, bro. This shit just. There's so much stocks that's just blowing up. Like stocks just. I'm a. This is what I'm gonna do. Hey, once I do pass this challenge, get this loan and shit, I think I'm gonna just invest long term, bro. I think I'm gonna just invest like something. Wait till the market dips down. Just invest for like a year or two. The shit going triple. Just wait for another dip. That's what I'm gonna do. Once that dip come, time to use that loan money. Just for all the dips, bro. That's what I'm gonna do. I've been trying to write down what I was gonna do with the loan money. I gotta be smart about it. I'm like really smart. Everything look good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I look at Amazon. I see Amazon. Amazon. Low-key Amazon still a good buy. I just wouldn't buy like all shit. Yeah, everything just yeah. Shout out to the stock game too. Yeah, I'm gonna start investing, bro. Once I pass this, I'm gonna pass this shit in like. I'm giving me next month because I'm about to pass step 1 and 2 fucking day. I could have passed it today, 3 days, quick as I ever fucking passed the challenge. If I just took the trade, this shit look good. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'll probably be done with everything today. I looked at the stocks. I said I got 2 pairs. I'm just studying tomorrow. Got gold. I got Nas. I got gold and Nas. Let's see what it does tomorrow. Other than that, everything look good. If y'all was long term investors, y'all probably be like shitting y'all pants for how much money y'all can make. But everything looks so beautiful. Especially say if Nas come down in here, just buy. Fuck it. Just buy and hold that bitch. Or just wait for some a little bit more confirmation. But yeah, that's all I got, man. Peace. I'm out of here, man. We trying to do a little Zoom or something. We gotta do it.